Welcome to my channel. Is your TP-Link Deco not connecting to the internet? In this video, I'll show you quick and easy fixes to solve it. Step 1. Check modem and ISP. First, make sure your internet is working. Connect your modem directly to a laptop and check if you can browse. If not, contact your ISP. Step 2. Restart devices. Now restart your modem and Deco. Turn them off, wait for 30 seconds, then turn them back on. This fixes most temporary issues. Step 3. Check cable connections. Ensure the Ethernet cable is properly connected from the modem to the main Deco unit. Try changing the cable if needed. Step 4. Check Deco app status. Open the TP-Link Deco app and check the connection status. If it shows no internet, proceed with troubleshooting inside the app. Step 5. Reconfigure internet settings. In the Deco app, go to Internet Settings and make sure the correct connection type is selected, like Dynamic IP, PPPoE, or Static IP. Step 6. Reset Deco. Last option, if nothing works, reset your Deco. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds, then set it up again using the app. That's it, your Deco should be working now. Like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141.